So today I'm going to do a maintenance wash on my client's Porsche Panamera. I started out by highlighting these areas that I know I need to fix. Started out with my regular interior wipe down and vacuum. Like I said, the inside wasn't even really dirty, but just to touch it up. The trunk wasn't bad at all, but detail, everything gets touched. Floor mats and luggage replaced. Quick little coffee break before I moved on to sanding the exhaust tips, getting them ready to be hand polished. Started on my exterior, make sure everything is wet, because everything is always easier when it's wet. So, followed by my foam bath, per usual, little back and forth movement. How you wash, top down, top to bottom, like everybody says. Yeah. Hosed off, everything. I personally don't like when there's water inside of the mirrors and the door handle, so I've always tried to blow those out because, the minute you pull off, then it's going to be running down the vehicle, and I don't like that. So I always try to dry everything as much as I can. The water spot wasn't etched into the paint, so I removed that with a water spot remover and then sealed it, as well as this spot right here. Quick spray wax, just to touch up, and that's me hand polishing the exhaust tips just to make them look better. Detail is key for everything. Not only am I trying to make the car look good, but I'm also trying to make it smell good, as I just use some Sensi smell on the interior, and that's the finished product.